Stored cross-site scripting attacks, also referred to as persistent cross-site scripting, is when the malicious code or script is actually permanently stored on the vulnerable or a malicious server using, or vulnerable application using a database, right? These are typically found in websites hosting things like blog posts that actually have things like comment forms or web forums or any other permanent storage method, right? Now, an example of a cross-site scripting attack that is a stored cross-site scripting attack is when the user requests the stored information from the vulnerable or malicious server. Then it actually causes the injection of the requested malicious script into the actual victim's browser, right? So in this type of attack, the vulnerable server is usually a known or a trusted site as well. Now, a stored cross-site scripting attack is actually demonstrated here, and I'm actually using the then vulnerable web application, and here I'm actually just entering script alert Omar was here, and in the second form field. Now, after I clicked sign guestbook, the dialog box that you're actually seeing on the screen, of course, is popped up. Now, if I actually navigate out of that page and return to the same page, the same dialog box continues to pop up. That's the main difference between what you saw before in the previous lesson, which is a reflected cross-site scripting, and this one that is persistent and stored, right? So in this example, the dialog message was just Omar was here. However, in a real attack, you can actually present the user with any other type of text to persuade them to perform a specific action. For example, you can actually display, hey, your password has expired, or please log in again, or your account has been compromised, or again, the sky's the limit. Then you can actually redirect the user to another site, steal their credentials, whenever they actually try to change their password, or relog into a fake application. Or of course, they can be used to inject code or to execute those scripts in the web browser. And if you actually know about a vulnerability that can also affect the web browser, like an extension or anything else, you can also execute them using these cross-site scripting, stored cross-site scripting attacks.